Hello, dear students. Today we will take inertia and mass. We already discussed about the first law of motion, or Newton's first law. How inertia is related with mass, and this will explain us the basics about second law of motion. Inertia, you already know that it is the natural tendency it is the natural tendency of a body to remain in rest or in motion. When we apply unbalanced force to change the state of a body, that means unbalanced force is necessary to make the change in the state of the object, and the object resists the change. That object resists the change. That is, resists the change means if you are present in the bus and the bus suddenly moves forward, your body pushes, or your body is being pushed backwards because your body wants to remain in the state of rest. And everything which has a state either in motion or in rest, it resists the change on application of the unbalanced force. Therefore, but how much that force affects the change in the state? For example, if a body having this is a body A and this is body B, these two bodies having different mass are 10 kg and 5 kg. How much force you apply on this body so that it will change from rest and it will accelerate, and you have to apply the force. Does the same force you apply on this object, if it is F1, then it must be F2, accelerate. That means the mass of the object determines the force which is applied to change in the state of that object, to change the inertia of that object. More the mass, more would be you require the force to change its state, and less the mass, less would be the force required to change the state. That means the things having large mass are having large inertia, and those things which are having less mass, they are having less inertia. That means mass is directly proportional to the force which is applied to change the inertia or to change the state of rest or motion of a body. Now another point is that, for example, I will explain you with the help of example. If a truck moves with a slow speed, it can kill a person, but at the same time, if that truck is halted on the road, there is no worry about it. That means the truck having large mass, it kills a person with a less speed. Another thing is that if a bullet having very less mass, but it can kill the person. It can kill the person when thrown by the gun. That means it it accelerates, or you can say accelerate or velocity, change in velocity. Acceleration is more, or change in velocity. These two terms, that means change in velocity, or you can say velocity and mass. These two terms are very important to determine the inertia of the body. These two terms, that means mass and velocity, these two terms are combined by Newton to a single quantity that is known as momentum. P. That means these two quantities, mass and velocity, they are combined together in one quantity that is known as momentum, which was explained by Newton. Thank you.